Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video lecture, we will cover a new chapter of chemistry, that is equilibrium. So let's begin with today's video. Equilibrium state is defined as when rate of formation of product in a process is in competition with rate of formation of reactant. The state is then named as equilibrium state. Equilibrium in physical process is solid, reversible, liquid, can be reversible to gas. Law of chemical at given temperature, the product of concentration of the reaction products raised to the respective stoichiometric coefficient in the balanced chemical equation divided by the product of concentration of the reactants raised to their individual stoichiometric coefficients has a constant value. This is known as the equilibrium law or law of chemical equilibrium. In this, concentration of or partial pressure of pure solids or liquids do not appear in the expression of the equilibrium constant. And if QC is greater than Kc, the reaction will proceed in the direction of reactant, that is reverse reaction. And if Kc is greater than Qc, the reaction will proceed in the direction of product, that is forward reaction. Kp is the equilibrium constant in terms of partial pressure of gases, reactants and products, and Kc is the equilibrium constant in terms of molar concentration of gases, reactants and products. The relationship between Kp and Kc is equal to Kp equals to Kc RT delta N. Here R is the gas constant, T is the temperature and delta N is the number of moles of gaseous products minus number of moles of gaseous reactants. Then if Kc is greater than 10 raised to power 3, Kc is very high, that is the reaction proceeds nearly to the completion, and if 10 raised to power minus 3 is greater than Kc, then the Kc is very small and the reaction proceeds rarely. If Kc is ranging in the range of 10 raised to power 3 to 10 raised to power minus 3, that is reactants and products are just in equilibrium. And one formula related to thermodynamics and which links thermodynamics and equilibrium together is delta G naught is equal to minus RT log natural K, and which is also equal to delta G naught equals to 2.303 RT log K. So then next topic, which is very important, factors affecting equilibrium constant, temperature, pressure, catalyst and molar concentration of reactants and products. The most important principle of this chapter is Le-Chatelier's principle, which states that a change in any of the factors that determine the equilibrium conditions of a system will cause the system to change in such a manner so as to reduce or to counteract the effect of the change. Arrhenius acid and the substances that ionize in water to form H plus ions, and Arrhenius bases are the substances that ionize in the water to form OH ions. The Lewis acids are the lone pair of electrons, lone pair acceptors, while Lewis bases are lone pair donators. Proton donors are acids, while proton acceptors are bases, which is also the Bronsted-Lowry concept. And the acid-base pair that differs only by one proton is called as conjugate acid-base pair. If Bronsted acid is a strong acid, then its conjugate base is a weak base and vice versa. Ionic product of water, Kw is equals to delta H concentration into Kw equals to molar concentration of H ions into molar concentration of OH ions. pH equals to minus log into H plus ions. Here H plus is the molar concentration of hydrogen ions. pH plus pOH equals to 14. pKa plus pKb is equals to 14. Ka into Kb is equals to Kw, that is also equals to ionic product of water, which is the value of ionic product of water is equal to 1 into 10 raised to the power minus 14. Most important topic, buffer solution. The solution which resists change in pH or dilution or with the addition of small amount of acid or alkali are called buffer solution. Common ion effect can be defined as the shift in equilibrium on adding a substance that provides more of an ionic species already present in dissociation equilibrium. Hydrolysis of salts, process of interaction between water and cations or anions or both of salt is called as hydrolysis. Solubility product is the product of molar concentration of ions in a saturated solution. Each concentration term raised to the power equal to the number of ions produced. So this much for today's video. Hope you liked it and understood it. Thank you for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.